Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see TikTok saved video on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and log into your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on random video and save it. After the save has been completed, all you gotta do is click on profile, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and click on view profile. After that, you'll find all the saved video on your favorites. Now, as you can see, I have saved this video earlier, displayed right here. That's how you can see saved video on your TikTok. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.